Hi guys, I'm back again for Same Six Wednesday. Yay, Same Six Wednesday. If you're not familiar with this, myself and a group of 5 other artists, and they will all be listed down in the box below, we've sent each other a package with the same 6 items in it. So this one came from Maria Varano, I think is how you say her name. Her YouTube channel is Maria's Miscellany, and she sent us these 6 items that we are supposed to use in our page, and all 6 of us this month will use these same 6 items. So we're gonna open this envelope and see what's in here. This is a I think it might be wallpaper that she made this envelope out of. I wonder if that will come off of. I might be able to get that off of that. No, I don't think so. Oops, oops, oops. I'm sticking to my page. Okay, so let's see what's in here. First, we have a fun piece of washi tape. Ooh, a page protector. I wonder if that's one of our 6 items. Now we have to use 3 of the items. You're not required to use all 6, but I have tried to use all 6 items. Oh, how fun. 20 questions. I am a person. I was the official flag maker of the Pennsylvania Navy. I was the daughter of a carpenter. How fun. What fun. Ooh, look at this. That's beautiful. Okay, so if that's 1, 2, I'm guessing this paper is 3. Oh, there's a little. Love this little envelope. I'm guessing these little itty bitty clips are 4. There's a yo-yo in here, which would be 5. And look at this tiny little deer to make 6. But I have these things too. So, and I have this fun little envelope. I may have to stop the video for a few minutes and think about this, because at the moment I haven't got a single idea. I'll be back in just a few. Okay. This was a little hard to figure out. I can usually figure things sort of out on the fly, but this one, it did not want to kind of come together for a while. I think I know what I want to do with it now. I haven't found everything I need to do, but we'll just get started. I'm just going to work quietly on it. I will tell you that I decided my little lady needed a fancy hat, so she's going to get a fancy hat, and then we'll go on from there, because that way the hat will be drying. That, and I am going to use the flap off of Maria's envelope, as well as I managed to pull some of the paper doily out from underneath the sticky tape, so that was kind of fun. Okay guys, I have finished my November Same 6 Wednesday page. I used all 6 of my items. I used the brown paper both as a background and a stencil. I did take a piece off of this. All 3 pieces just didn't want to come together. I took one of the flaps off of Maria's envelope. It was silver and so were the little clips, and I thought they would go real well together. I made a little hat with our 3-dimensional items for Our Lady. I decided I wanted to make this a flip because I really like the little questions on the back of it. And I did add some washi tape because I wanted just a little bit more color and some stenciling with ink. And now my little clothespins keep my page all closed and secure. I'm hoping you really enjoyed this series. Next month in December, we will be, most of us at least, will be showing our completed books. I'm going to probably put together some kind of little cover for mine. Maybe I'll use some of the leftover pieces that I've got. I don't have a ton, but maybe I'll use some leftover pieces for the cover. But I will be... Oh, did I round corners? Oh my goodness, I rounded corners on everything else. So I guess I'm going to have to round corners on this one, but I'll do that later. I hope you really enjoyed this series, and maybe we'll do it again next year. But for now, I'm going to go. I'm going to read you a quote from my 1001 Ways to Creativity, and go see about getting this video edited and uploaded. Figuring out our gifts in life is part of our journey to become enlightened human beings. Alison DuBois. Now guys, I want you to make sure you check out the links in the description box below. If you click on the first link, it will take you to the next Same 6 Wednesday person's video, and their description box will have a list, and as long as you just keep clicking on the first link in everybody's videos, you should end up right back around to here. And I'm hoping you've enjoyed this series, and have a great day. Go make some art. Bye-bye.